Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Christian Rees. I will talk about my last vacation. Last summer, I went on a trip. I visit a very beautiful place. My family traveled with me. We arrived at a big house. The weather was warm and sunny. I walked I walk around the area every day. I study to look at nature careful. We cook delicious food together. We share story. We laughed. I took many beautiful pictures. Time passed very quickly here. Some we packed your bags. We return home on Sunday. Okay. It was a great experience. So thank you for attention. Thanks.